Good morning, everyone. We are staying in hotel in Salzburg, and today we are planning to travel to Wolfgangsee. It is around 1 hour journey, and it's a perfect half-one-day trip from Salzburg. Salzburg is a birthplace of the very famous Mozart and Wolfgangsee. JS, a birthplace of his mother and his sister, had stayed in the same village. Today, we are going on a winter day trip from Salzburg to Wolfgangsee. It's December, and snow is falling as we travel by bus. We arrive at St. Gilgen, a small village by the lake. The mountains are covered in snow, and the lake feels calm and quiet. Later, it started raining, but the beauty remains. The mist, the snow, and the rain make this place feel peaceful and timeless. You can take a cable car and go up in the mountains if weather is good. But unfortunately, we couldn't go due to bad weather. Wolfgangsee in winter is not about sunshine. It's about silence, history, and slow moments. I hope you like this video. Do like, share, and subscribe.